Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing a trading card game unboxing. This is going to be the 2025 holiday calendar, and in this calendar we're going to be opening up all of the items all at the same time, including a 6 booster packs, 7 3-card fun packs. There's going to be 8 foil cards included in this box, as well as some other items. I hope that you enjoy this video and stay tuned to the end to see if what we can pull in this holiday calendar. Now that I have the wrapping undone, I am going to be opening up the box from the side here, and we're going to be getting out all of the products from this advent calendar. Again, this is an advent calendar readily available at a lot of retailers. I got this one specifically with Costco, and I think what we're just going to do is we're just going to go one by one and we are going to see what we get. So for this day one, let's see what we have here. We got ourselves a promo card. This is a Articuno promo card. Looks really nice. And on day two, if you were to open this, let's see what you were to get. I don't know if they're all exactly 100% the same, but we got ourselves a Journey Together. Let's see what we get out of this. Hopefully we can get a Lily's Clefairy. I would really like that. We got ourselves a basic Metal Energy, a Mr. Mime, Sprigatio, Drampa, Durant, Brock Scouting, Volcarona, Alolan Marowak. We got ourselves a Dredigon. That's a reverse holo. We got ourselves a Ens Sigilyph. And for our rare, we got a Iono's Kilowattrel. Just a regular comment on that. Set that aside. Now we go on to day three, which is, for me, is at the bottom. And we got ourselves another promo card. This one is a Delibird promo card. Really nice there. And on day four, let's see what we got here. We got ourselves a Temporal Forces. Haven't opened many packs from this set, so excited to see what we can pull. We got ourselves a basic Metal Energy, a Bronzor, Mightyena, Duosion, Haunter, Iron Hands, Heavy Baton, a Mist Energy, a Ponyta Reverse, a Sawsbuck Reverse, and we got ourselves a Roaring Moon, just a regular holo for this set. Not expecting too much, but always have hopes up. Now we are on to day five. And day five, we got ourselves another Journey Together pack. Really nice. Alrighty. Hopefully we can get ourselves something good. In this one, we got ourselves a basic Leaf Energy, a Enzorua, Tropius, Swinub, Delmius, Lokick, Combustion, Alolan Golem. We got ourselves a reverse Hops Rockety, and we got a Kecleon reverse, And our rare for this one is going to be a Paldean Cloister EX. So excited we got at least a EX card out of the 3 packs we've opened so far. Now we move on to day 6, which is a couple stickers. Really nice there. And let's go to day 7 here, which is a pack of Paradox Rift. We got ourselves a basic Psychic Energy, a Toadschool, Toxel, Spinda, Nimble, Steenie, Semaphore, Sepstrika, a Volcanion, which is a rare reverse holo, a Wiglet reverse holo, and we got ourselves a Tinglu. Just a normal holo for that. All right, we're gonna move on to day 8 here. Which is a fun pack. These are just journey together fun packs. They're not expecting any rare cards in this. It's just a nice reverse holo among the 2 common cards. So we got our Komala, a Coughing, and a Darumaka reverse. And we got ourselves a day 9, which is a promo card. This one is the Crabominable. This one is a nice card. It's like a special illustration art for this card. We got ourselves another fun pack here. Ringo, Togekimaru, and Metapod. Moving on to day 11. Another fun pack. This one's from Destined Rivals. So it looks like they're just sample packs from each of these sets. We got ourselves Steven's Carbink, Arvin's Squelfant, and a Team Rocket's Houndoom. Alright, moving on to our day 12. We got ourselves a Destined Rivals booster box or booster pack. We got ourselves a basic Psychic Energy, a Tauros, Marnie's Morpeko, Team Rocket's Lavatar, Team Rocket's Blipbug, Team Rocket's Hypno, Sacred Ash, Huntail, a reverse Breloom, a reverse Stevens Baltoy, and we got ourselves a Setion EX regular, which is really nice. We got at least 2 EXs in this opening so far. Alright, lucky number 13 here. What do we got? It looks like we got some stickers. On day 14. We got ourselves a Destined Rivals fun pack. Pineco, Clampearl, Team Rocket's Flaffy reverse. Really nice. Moving on to day 15. We got ourselves one of these promo Pikachus. Really nice. Let's see. On day 16, we got ourselves a all creamy. This is a coin, collectible coin. 17 is the EV promo card. I love collecting these. Day 18 is a vanillish. This is like a really nice special illustration. On day 19, we got a Cryogonal promo card. On day 20, we got a little fun pack from Journey Together. Patel, Minchino, and a Grimmsnarl. Day 21. This one's from Destined Rivals. Hippopotas, Team Rockets Ekans, and Growlithe. Day 22, we got ourselves a coin. This is a Pikachu collectible coin. Day 23, we got a Destined Rivals booster pack. Got ourselves a basic fighting energy. Team Rockets Nidoran Male. Team Rockets Houndour. Stevens Beldum. Team Rockets Chingling. Team Rockets Petrel. Robopass. Team Rockets Mimikyu. Cynthia's Power Weight. We got a Team Rockets Murkrow. This is a special illustration rare, which is really nice for our unboxing today. And a Nihilape, which is a hollow card. That was day 23. Now we're on to day 24. Almost done. On day 24, what do we got? We got ourselves a Glaceon EX. Really nice promo card here. And the last day of day 25, we got ourselves a fun pack, Destined Rivals. We got ourselves a Smoliv, Torchic, and a Dolliv reverse. I appreciate you staying to the end of this video, and I hope you like this unboxing of a 2025 holiday calendar for Pokemon. I hope you stay tuned and watch my other trading card videos that I post as frequently as I am able. And comment down below if you've opened one of these and what you've got in your calendar. And I'll see you in the next one.